Hey guys, today we'll turn to use Wise Money Transfer. So if you guys want to go ahead and use Wise Money Transfer to transfer money from your account onto other accounts. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Wise application and also log into your preferred accounts. Once we're already here, preferably we would also like to go ahead and set up, of course, the account that we would like to have some funds on. Now, we could go ahead and tap on Open Account. Tap on Let's Go and also choose the preferred currency that we would like to use. Now from here, you need to go ahead and enter your full legal name and middle names and also your last names and also your date of birth. Alright guys, so once you've already entered all of the necessary details, you can now only send money abroad. So this is actually a service that is only available on abroad, and as you would notice, it's limited on specific countries. So if you were signed up on a specific country and your address is also in that country, the rest of the services has not reached that specific country. So if you were in a specific country like the Philippines, you do not have most of the necessary features, but you can still send money abroad. Tap on Got It once you're done, and you should have the access, of course, to your US dollar account already. Now from here, you can now tap on the Send button to send some funds over on internationally. You can now choose the specific number of the fund that you would want to send. So let's say just go ahead and send $10, and the recipient gets, depending on with what specific recipient that you'd like to go ahead and send this account to or this money to, just tap on what specific account or what specific currency. Tap on Continue. All we need to do from here is to search for a specific Wise tag, email or phone that is over on the Wise application and has a Wise account, so that you could easily use Wise to transfer some money from Wise to Wise as well. That is all you guys need to know about sending money via Wise. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.